Hi friends, iTech here. In today's video, let's talk about the pricing for Sony's PlayStation 5 and its accessories, along with the launch title pricing for Indian market. Let's not waste time and let's get started. Friends, Sony has finally revealed the pricing for the PlayStation 5 console along with its accessories for Indian market. The console is priced competitively against the next-gen Xbox, which revealed its Indian price a while back. The PlayStation 5 Standard Edition is priced at 49,990 Indian rupees, while the PlayStation 5 Digital Edition is placed at 39,990 rupees. As for the accessories, the new DualSense wireless controller is priced at 5,990 rupees. The Pulse 3D wireless headset is priced at 8,590 rupees. The dual sensing charge station is priced at 2,590 rupees. The new HD camera is priced at 5,190 rupees. And finally, the media remote is priced at 2,590 rupees. Sony also revealed the pricing for the launch day titles for PlayStation 5 consoles. Unfortunately, what we did not have from today's announcement is the launch date. Sony is yet to decide when the consoles will go on sale in India. Friends, what do you think about PlayStation 5 pricing in India? Do let us know your opinions in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a like and share this video. Please subscribe to our iTech channel for more tech videos. Stay safe and thank you for watching iTech.